Pepe is about to explode, as the crypto market has shown strength, and Ethereum looks like it's about to skyrocket. Things are looking very good for Ethereum, memes like Pepe. If you have any interest in Pepe or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin, and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price-boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck! But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 25th of March, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 807 units. With 5 zeros, Pepe's price is up 11% in the last 24 hours. With a 24-hour trading volume of $775 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $3.3 billion, ranking it as the 43rd most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Ethereum supply dries up on exchanges as leverage spikes. Bullish signs for Ethereum. Leading altcoin Ethereum has noted a 9% uptick in the past week as the broader cryptocurrency market attempts a recovery from recent lows. While the rally is partly fueled by the gradual resurgence in the general market's bullish sentiment, two key on-chain metrics suggest that Ethereum's momentum could strengthen further. Ethereum's supply hits yearly low. While traders bet big, on-chain data reveals that Ethereum's exchange reserve has dropped to its lowest level this year. As of this writing, the metric stands at 18.32 million Ethereum, plummeting 7% from its year-to-date peak of 19.74 million coins reached on February 2nd. An asset's exchange reserve measures the total amount of its coins or tokens held in exchange wallets, representing the supply available for immediate trading. When it declines, traders move their holdings off exchanges for long-term storage, staking, or spot Ethereum ETFs, thereby reducing the asset's available supply. This means that Ethereum's supply decline can create upward price pressure, as lower selling liquidity and steady demand tend to drive its price higher. Further, Ethereum's estimated leverage ratio has climbed, suggesting that traders are increasingly using leverage to amplify their bets on the coin's future price gains. For context, ELR reached a year-to-date high of 0.686 on March 21st before witnessing a minor pullback. As of this writing, Ethereum's ELR is at 0.683. The ELR measures the average amount of leverage traders use to execute trades on a cryptocurrency exchange. It is calculated by dividing the asset's open interest by the exchange's reserve for that currency. Ethereum's surging ELR signals an increased risk appetite among traders, despite its price troubles since the beginning of the year. This trend indicates that many coin holders remain optimistic about a near-term rally and are willing to leverage their positions to amplify potential gains. A rising Ethereum price could also have a massive impact on meme coins like Pepe, which operates on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token. As Ethereum's value climbs, it often drags Ethereum-based altcoins and tokens along for the ride, boosting their visibility and trading volume. Pepe, with its strong community and speculative appeal, could see its price blow up dramatically if Ethereum's bullish momentum continues, potentially riding the wave of renewed interest in Ethereum-based projects. Ethereum at a turning point. Will bulls drive it to $2,224 or bears pull it to $1,924? Ethereum currently trades at $2,089, registering 4% gains over the past day. The green histogram bar posted by its Elder Ray index reflects the growing bullish bias toward the altcoin. It is at 52.80 at press time, its highest in the past 30 days. The indicator measures buying and selling pressure in the market. When its value is positive, it indicates that buyers are dominant, suggesting stronger bullish momentum and a potential price uptrend.
If Ethereum bulls strengthen their control, they could push the coin's price to $2,148. Such a move could further ignite speculative fervor around Pepe, potentially sending its price soaring as traders chase high returns in the Ethereum ecosystem. However, if the bears regain dominance, the altcoin's value could fall to $1,759. A drop in Ethereum's price might temper enthusiasm for Pepe as well, though its meme-driven volatility could still defy broader market trends.
If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Pepe eyes 45%, rally to 1,000 units amid falling wedge breakout. The meme coin is aiming for a bullish recovery as the market remains mildly optimistic for a potential bounce back. Pepe's uptrend could reclaim the 1,000 unit psychological mark with a falling wedge breakout rally gaining momentum. However, the intraday pullback at a crucial dynamic resistance comes as a strong resistance. Will Pepe continue a sustained recovery to reach the psychological milestone? Pepe eyes 45%, price surge with wedge breakout. In the daily chart, the Pepe price action reveals a bounce back from a local support trend line, gaining momentum. The bullish reversal has breached the overhead resistance trend line by avoiding a retest of the 500-unit psychological mark. This marks a bullish breakout of a falling wedge pattern. With a post-retest reversal, Pepe formed a bullish candle of a 12% surge on Monday. This marked a strong bullish start to the week and a post-retest reversal. However, the breakout rally in Pepe struggles to overcome the 20-day EMA line. Despite the short-term struggle, the moving average convergence divergence momentum indicator reveals a positive trend in the MACD and signal lines. The rising bullish histograms signal a potential recovery as the average lines trend closer to the positive territory. However, due to the prevailing downfall, the 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMA lines have gained bearish alignment. Hence, the dynamic average lines could act as resistances along the recovery. Based on the Fibonacci levels, the breakout rally in Pepe could reach the 23.60% level at 1,025 units. This marks an upside potential of nearly 45% from the current market price. On the flip side, the crucial support remains at 600 and 500 units psychological mark. Analyst signals potential. Pepe rally to 1,000 units. Amid the recent recovery, Ali Martinez, a crypto analyst, highlights a strong bullish potential in Pepe. Per the analyst, the meme coin is on the verge of creating a bullish inverted head and shoulder pattern. The neckline of the inverted head and shoulders pattern is around 750 units. Additionally, the right shoulder of this pattern suggests the formation of a double bottom, with a baseline at 650 units. The neckline of the double bottom aligns with the larger inverted head and shoulders pattern. As a result, an hourly close above 750 units could trigger a strong bullish move. According to the analyst, the breakout in Pepe could lead to a rally toward the psychological level of 1,050 units. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1,000x potential altcoins.